Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the Google Docs app or visiting Docs. Google, in your tablet browser. This gives you app-level controls and offline options. Sign into your Google account and allow storage and files access so your edits save. Tap the plus new button or open a file from Drive to start editing right away. Once done, enable offline mode in settings if you need access without Wi-Fi. That prevents lost work and speeds up load time when connectivity is slow. You'll now focus on editing. Tap to place the cursor and drag to select text because precise selection speeds formatting. Tap the A format icon to change font, size, color, and line spacing. Use predefined styles to keep headings consistent. Insert images, tables, or links with the plus menu. Images resize with drag handles. If typing is slow, use voice typing from the Tools menu. Speak punctuation for cleaner text. Make sure to save or let autosave finish before switching apps. Finish by sharing and exporting. Tap Share to add collaborators and set permissions so you control edits and comments. When ready to deliver, use Share and export to download as PDF or Word or open in another app. Once shared, make sure collaborators can access the right version. Use version history to restore earlier drafts if needed. If syncing or saving fails, check your Wi-Fi, ensure storage permissions are allowed, clear the app cache, or sign out and sign back in. Those steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.